4. Hidden car problems that could cost you thousands. Your car may seem fine, but lurking under the hood could be hidden issues that are silently destroying your engine. Don't wait until it's too late. Let's dive into 4 hidden car problems that could cost you thousands. Number 1. Low oil pressure, the silent killer. Your engine needs oil to function, but a drop in oil pressure can cause catastrophic failure. Low oil levels, clogged filters, or a failing oil pump can be the culprit. Always check your oil levels and change them regularly. Number 2. Overheating engine, a ticking time bomb. Overheating is one of the fastest ways to ruin an engine. Coolant leaks, a broken thermostat, or a failing radiator can all lead to this nightmare. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge and never ignore an overheating warning. Number 3. Ignoring strange noises, a hidden danger. That weird noise under the hood isn't just annoying, it's a warning. Knocking, ticking, or whining sounds can indicate worn-out bearings, timing chain issues, or engine misfires. Address these sounds early to avoid total engine failure. Number 4. Clogged fuel injectors, power loss and engine damage. Clogged fuel injectors reduce fuel flow, causing misfires, loss of power, and engine knocking. If your car feels sluggish, you may need a fuel system cleaner or a professional cleaning. These hidden issues can destroy your engine if left unchecked. Regular maintenance is key. Have you ever faced any of these problems? Drop a comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car care tips.